time for dessert. Okay, I'm quite excited about this pudding. So we've got some nice apple puree with some of my dad's apples. Some hancha, that is like a snake cake, but it's sort of almond and orange kind of paste wrapped in phyllo. And then we have some cream that's got some of this praline going through it. Okay, so on goes the apple on a nice low heat. Take our phyllo that hopefully isn't too battered. Keep that level. About in a minute. And the oven's on just under 200. We'll just warm her up. Okay, awesome. So the apple's good and hot. That's all right on top. And then the quenelle. This week, all your quenelle should be pretty good this week because it's whipped cream, so we should be able to have a bit more control over it than some of the other things. Pretty naughty. Okay. Looks pretty banging to me.